Welcome to Tech Research. If you have Jio network and you are looking Gemini Pro subscription, Jio are introducing Gemini Pro subscription absolutely free for 18 months, and this subscription you can receive 5 terabyte cloud storage on your Gmail, Google Drive. You can access this 5 terabyte space absolutely free for 18 months. Just a requirement, you need Jio mobile number. So if you have Jio mobile number, it's okay. If it is not, you can contact your friend, family member and get this number OTP only, and afterward you can very easily register the Gemini Pro subscription your personal Gmail address. How to do, we will see. My mobile screen is here. First of all, I just simply show it to you. Here is my Gemini account, and this is the not a premium one, just a simple account. Upgrade point of view, if you get this subscription or you want to upgrade your account, so you need to pay every month around 100 rupees for 3 months, and afterward 399 INR. If you have Jio SIM number, so you can get this subscription absolutely free. Now how to get this subscription? It's easy. First of all, you need to install My Jio application in your mobile number. I install this application, and including you can log in your Jio mobile number. If you just log in the number, so look at this here, top of the screen, get 5000 GB cloud storage with Jio Google Gemini offer absolutely free. Here is showing, if I tap here, so the activation process is going on. If it is not showing here, you can click here search and just simply type here Google Gemini offer. Afterward, this offer is available or not in your number. So here is showing in my number, this offer is available. Google Gemini 18-month Pro plan of Google Gemini worth is 35,100 INR. It's massive number. No payment required, no auto renew. What we receive here? Video generation, higher daily limit in Google Apps, and 5 terabyte storage in Google Cloud. Just simply press here, redirecting to Google. Just simply tap here. Afterward, you need to add here which email address you want get this subscription. So I add here my email address very easily. Look at this here. So the offer is coming here. As soon as possible you can use this subscription, because of the end of 26th of October is the end of this subscription. Do this process as soon as possible. Active your Google AI Pro plan from Jio, 35,100 free of 18 month. All subscription prices are showing here. Then my expiry date is the 2nd Jan 2028. It means today is the 2nd of July. So July 2nd Jan 2028 means entire 26 remaining, and 27 is completed and then expire on 2nd Jan. And then simply click here. So you pay today 0, no payment required. Active the plan. And look at this here, your Google AI Pro member is registered. Go to the Gemini and boom, now I'm able to access Google Gemini Pro absolutely free using this process. If I click here, open the application look like is a change. If I click here in the profile menu, so look at this here, my profile is Monica Merle, now is a pro. Using this process you can very easily claim absolutely free Gemini Pro subscription for next 18 months. It's very easy. Just require Jio mobile network. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.